Welcome to White Rain. I have no idea what this is about, but it's a myth hunt. We're going on another myth hunt, guys, and oh yeah, let's not fall off like dumbasses. So 2 years and he's still active. We're gonna remove Kebab from this game. Who's Kebab? Someone's being special ed. Okay. Is he a real person? Yeah, he's a real person. Okay, he's just being special ed. What the fuck? Okay. Let's make this worse. That's how we get to the fun part. That's no. I want more static. How do I make it really staticky? What happens if I fall off? Want to find out? Nope. I skipped static. Okay, that's fine. I'm friends with a meth. Cool. Up. Okay, sir. Chill your shit. My myth? People probably don't see me as a myth. That makes me kind of sad. I'd like to be a myth. That sounds cool. I'm creepy enough. There has to be something with the static. Trying to find a strong signal. Okay, so like right here is where it's really bad. Oh, and I fell off again. Kebab Remover Squad will raid this game. We already had the Remove Kebab User Squad. Okay, I just keep falling off. But is this it? This is all the myth is? This is White Rain, really? It's like, sure, I guess it's kind of cool, but at the same time. And it's a little creepy with the whole thing. What's that? What's up there? How do I get up there? Okay. That looks like a lantern of sorts. I think I have an idea on how to get up there. Come on. Yay! No, damn it! There we go. Maybe these pillars have something to do with this. Maybe they're important? Damn it. Up! Let me up! No! Flamingo gay! Remove Kebab! Kebab must be removed. Y'all must chill. Flamingo gay. I don't know. It's like the whole... We don't know if Youth Pastor Craig is sexually attracted to pumpkins. But we don't know for sure. Pretty sure y'all heard that from Mr. Atheist. I don't know if so-and-so, if Youth Pastor whatever is sexually attracted to pumpkins. I'm just saying we don't really know. I guess that's what I'm doing right now. We don't really know. We don't really know if he is gay. He might be gay. And if he's gay, good for him. You know? It's not hurting anyone if he's gay. No one's hurt if he's gay. Like, really, if you're gay, that's good. People shouldn't be trying to abridge your rights to be gay. Because that's not right. Because, you know, like, you do you. That's kind of how people are, you know? But they make it a them problem because they think that their holy book is complete truth and it's bullshit. They just don't see it's bullshit and I can't get up there. No matter how hard I try, I'm just never getting up there. Okay, let's try to find the signal. Find the signal. Oh yeah, people are also... What if I just stared at this and hope to God no one gets a seizure? What if I just, like, stand here? Is something gonna happen if I stand in the static long enough? Why is there why is there static? Does it do anything? Must I find a strong signal? Why is there static? What the? Okay, things are. I'm not sure if he. There's some weird shit going on right now. I think that guy's just laggy though. It's like the signal's strong here. That makes sense. What do I do? Okay, this is really hurting my eyes. Okay, let's. This is all. I think that's all for this minute. That's just all it is. Just weird static over there. That we have no explanation as to why it happens. And a bunch of pillars. And falling to your death does nothing. What the fuck? Oh, it's like people have stopped existing. Maybe I start to see something really weird the longer I'm in the static. What does the static do? Come on, guys, stop making jokes. I feel like this has to do something. Just hang in with it so they leave. Y'all need to chill. They need to chill, and I'm hoping to God none of you will have seizures. I'm hoping I don't get seizures also. So this is kind of hurting to look at. You know? So like, remove you. Can we just like kick him from this game? Is that possible? So, this is little static. This is big static. This is little static, big static. But what's the source of the static? Is it this? Is it the body here? And if so, why is it all staticky? Why does it cause static? Okay, I'm pretty sure it is just the body. You know what, we can just mute them. Let's mute them. Mute! Remove kebab! 666. Ha! What does the static do? Does this do anything? What do you mean we have to enter the static? The static is coming from the body. Now he's saying statue gay. Well, I can't hear him, so ha ha ha. Let's just block him. Guess he's also being muted. 5XX Alt. Now I can't hear him either. I thought I couldn't hear him! If I jump up, I'm out of static, but if I'm here, I'm in static. Did it just get worse? Let's get run quickly. What if I step far up? No. Okay, I'm sorry that this isn't creepy, scary, or anything at all. Just that weird static thing. That's all. That's all this place has going for it. It's just this weird static thing going on. I don't know why it happens. It just happens. Okay. So we're gonna have to live with that. I guess it causes people to jump off. I guess that's the myth. I don't know. I just know that this sucks, and I'm sorry.